Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use the Explore tab in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the books that are recommended to us. We can get started taking a look at the posts by other people we follow and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to use the Explore tab. So guys, once you open up the main page right here at the bottom of the screen, you're going to go and be able to find the section with all the options such as home, explore, library and so on, and from here we can get started using the Explore tab. If you click on Explore, it's going to take you to this new page from where we can get started with scanning a book that we have, but what we can also do is go and scroll down a bit and start exploring and finding new authors, new books, podcasts and so on. They're going to go and help us find new stuff we can go and read right here in Deepstash. So you can dive deeper into books, podcasts, whatever you prefer, but you also have your categories and topics right here. So you can go ahead and find anything you want by specific category. Let's go and open them up. You have personal development, motivation and so on. So if you select anything, you can get started browsing that specific category, finding books and podcasts for yourself. So basically that is how to get started using the Explore tab. You can scroll down right here, take a look at everything it has to offer and find new interesting stuff that you want to learn about. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.